Hi, Karen Deis here, and this is the April 2016 update for mortgage currency. As you can probably see, I am on vacation, but I wanted to get this out to you because there are 12 articles in this issue, but wanted to talk to you about 4 or 5 of them. So I wanted to start out with USDA, and they realized that the student payment qualifications were not clear, so they have clarified them in this new update. So for fixed rate loans, student loans, the lender must verify that it is a fixed payment, a fixed interest rate, and fixed repayment terms. For student loans that are deferred, the IBRs, the graduated payment, or adjustable rate student loans, all you need to use is 1% of the outstanding balance. No other documentation is required. On a side note, the 3555 handbook has been updated to make it easier for you to find things. Okay, Fannie's latest announcement is in regards to the HomeStyle energy efficient mortgages. They renamed it that, and it is replacing the current energy efficient product with an updated version. It can be used alone or with HomeStyle renovation loans. So a couple key things. You can use up to 15% of the as completed appraisal value that can be financed over and above on the loan. You can use $3,500 for weatherization and if energy efficient hot water heaters. Another key thing, $500 credit on the LLPA, and it can be delivered to Fannie prior to the repairs being updated. Subscribers are going to find a new comparison chart on the energy efficient loan and also a cool mortgage talking point that explains it in detail for your real estate agents and your consumers. Now, on a side note, Fannie and Freddie have also updated condo project forms. There's now a short version and a long version, and if you need to get a condo project approved, give it to the real estate agent and the homeowners association using these new forms. They're in effect now. And also, Freddie is rebranding Loan Prospector and is now calling it the Loan Advisor Suite. It's supposed to be easier for you to use if you do business with Freddie and to manage all of the different aspects up until the origination, underwriting, and delivery of the loan to Freddie. And a couple updates in regards to FHA. Instead of mortgagee letters, they are now issuing transmittals to the 4001 Handbook. This is where they're going to be updating the manual online. So our FHA experts monitor this for you on a regular basis, and this month there were a lot of minor and technical changes, but we also found 3 significant ones that you'll probably want to read about. They cover deficiency judgments on FHA insured loans. They also cover exempting borrowers who have changed jobs more than 3 times in a 12-month time period if they're employed by a temporary agency, a union, or they're a contract labor, and they show that they have continually been on the job for that time period, even though they might have had 5 different employers. And they've also clarified the mortgage payment history, how to figure that if there's a problem with a streamlined refinance. And finally, one of the best kept secrets of FHA is their FHA FAQ database. Now you can go in there, you can search a topic, and you'll find an answer. Most of them are quoted from the FHA handbook. However, there's a thing called the HQ policy determination that if you find if you answer a question and you find the HQ policy determination, that means that someone from HUD had to make a special ruling, and there's these 1 or 2 sentences that'll make a difference between a loan getting approved. So this article covers 5 of them, what we found for you. We found them basically answering questions for our subscribers who are using the help desk. So subscribers, if you have a chance, also log into that article and read those HQ policy determinations. So thank you so much for viewing, and getting a loan approved and closed these days is rocket science.